Hi, I'm Coco Swanson, and welcome to Notes from the Field, my new advice vlog. I'm so glad you're here. Each week, it's a little show, it's an embodied show. You bring me a problem, and I create an embodied experience to hopefully help with your problem and build coherence and more authorship in your life. This is experiential, so I'll literally just read the problem and then do something with you. My goal is for you to be able to do this on your own after practicing a couple times with me, and then to see how it works for you. Because this is about me offering more gifts to anybody who needs help right now. And if these gifts work, let me know. Creating dialogue between us of what's going on and how can I help. This said, this week's problem. I'm exhausted, but I can't stop. Can anybody relate with that? If I slow down, everything will fall apart. I just want to give a solid hug to you, first off. If I slow down, everything will fall apart. I'm exhausted, but I can't stop. Let's just stop in that. Even naming that and then stopping for a micro break will help build your resources. But let's get more specific on it. Hand to heart and hand to belly. One hand to heart, one hand to belly. Allow your eyes to close unless the visual really helps you. Our energy becomes fragmented. Sometimes we need to simplify and come back to center. And I suggest this micro break as a way to help you do so. You simply take 3 minutes, but we'll take less in honor of time right now. How am I doing physically, or how are you doing physically? What does my body need? Primarily ask and listen. The body speaks as like, I'm hungry, or I need to go to the bathroom, or I need to exercise. How about 5 minutes laying down to rest? What does your body say right now when you ask what it needs, how to care for it? Now your heart, so this is a simple check-in, body, heart, mind. How is your heart? Simply check in. And your heart speaks through emotions. Does your heart feel constricted in fear, in anxiety? Does it feel open, loving, and free? Does it feel most likely a combination, a layering of experiences that might be contradictory to each other? And what does your heart need? And this might be, my heart needs more love. Well, you can extend love to you. My heart needs a cry. My heart might need me to exercise to get some of this anger out. Take note. And how about your mind? What does your mind need? And what's your mind like right now? Is it moving fast? Is it focused on one thing or many? And try this with me. Just say, poof. I release all thoughts now. Okay, this micro break, even checking in to ask what you need, will start to replenish your energy. Our body, heart, and mind all need to be taken care of in order for our energy to be continually replenished, for us to feel resourced and ready to go to work, ready to be in our lives. So, primarily stopping for 2 minutes and checking in, taking note, and doing at least one thing from that list that you discovered. And then let me know how your energy feels, especially if you try this, say, 3 times in a row. Micro breaks every hour, even just plant that seed, and that will allow your energy to replenish. Okay, this is it for now. I'm trying to keep it under 5 minutes. That was 5 minutes and 40 seconds. So, bye.